These are 3 meters, which has the label A, G, and V, right? What is A? A is Ammeter. Ammeter, A-M-M-E-T-E-R, ammeter, and it measures, starting with C, it measures current, right? Huh? So it measures current in ampere, and this has got a maximum of 3 amperes. What is a voltmeter? A voltmeter measures voltage or potential difference. Again, this measures up to 3 volts. Okay? And this is a very special meter called center zero. The zero is at the center. Center zero. G stands for galvanometer. Okay? G stands for galvanometer. Now all these 3 meters have pointers moving above the scale. Right? So the pointer, the red pointer, cannot move on the scale because of friction, and if there is friction, it will bring in inaccuracy. So the pointer is moving above the scale. Therefore, there is a physical distance between the points of interest, where the points of interest in this case are known as the scale of the meter and the red pointer. So what is happening here is every of this meter will have a mirror. Can you see the strip of mirror that goes around? And then you try to align yourself to see the image behind the image of the pointer behind the mirror, and you align yourself to avoid parallax error. And once you do that, you are looking perpendicularly into the mirror. Yes? So the strip of mirror is to help you align the pointer and its image so that you are looking perpendicularly into the scale. Is that clear? Yay, good. So these are the 3 meters. Good.